Hello dear students of JNB JKS Chemistry. Today's my topic is cracking or pyrolysis. Thermal decomposition of higher alkanes into smaller alkanes. That is the major principle. Now in this video you people are going to see butane thermal decomposition or pyrolysis or cracking of butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane and dodecane. The secret now you people are going to see. Pyrolysis. This is butane, C4H10. Pyrolysis, my technique is 2+2. Now pentane, C5H12. My technique is 3+2. Next hexane, C6H14. My technique is for this one 1+2+3. Now heptane, C7H16. That is 5+2. Guys, here 2 stands for alkanes. First number always alkane. Alkane. Second number is alkene. Whatever the numbers I write here, these 2 or 3 or something else. First number always alkane. Here 4 is there, no? 4 means 2+2 is 4. Here 2 means ethane, C2H6 plus alkene. Second one alkene is ethylene, C2H4. Look at this one. 2+2 4, 10 are there, 6+4 10. That means butane undergoes pyrolysis and gives ethane and ethylene. Now C5H12. C5H12 in case of pentane 3+2. I said 3 is alkane. C3H8 propane and second one is ethylene. If you minus H2, you are going to get C3H6. This is also you can write. See 3+2 5 and 8+4 12. Now this is C2. This is I think so C6H14, right? Yeah. This is hexane in C6H14. This is 1+2+3. Now, how one is alkane, one means methane. Second one, I told you, whatever the numbers I have written here, those belong to alkenes. Second number of alkene is ethylene, C2H4. Third number of alkene is propane, C3H6. Now count 1+2+3, 6. 2+1, 3, 3+3, 6, 14. 4+4, 8, 8+6, 14. Now, heptane. C7H16, 5+2, 5 is pentane, pentane means 5, C5H12 plus second one is ethylene, C2H4. Now count 7, 5+2, 7, 16, 12+4. That means heptane undergoes pyrolysis or cracking, gives 2 products. One is pentane, second one is ethylene. Now in case of octane, my code is 6+2. In case of nonane, my code is 3+4+2. In case of decane, my code is 8+2, and in case of dodecane, my code is 7+5. Already I told you, first number belongs to alkane, remaining numbers, those belong to alkene. Now C8H18, 6 means C6H14, hexane plus ethylene, C2H4. Now count 6+2, 8, 14+4. 18. Now C9H20. 3 is alkane, propane, C3H8. This is butene, C4H8. This is ethylene, C2H4. Now count 3+4, 7, 7+2, 9. 9 is that. 8+8, 16, 16+4, 20 is that. That means in the pyrolysis of nonane, we do get one is propane, butene, ethylene. In case of decane, 8+2. 8 is C8H18, octane, and second one is ethylene, C2H4, 8+2, 10, and 22, 18+4, 22. Now, dodecane, C12H26. Now, in case 7+5, 7 is heptane, C7H16 plus C5H10. This is heptane and pentane. 7+5, 12, 26, 16 plus 10, 26. This is my secret of pyrolysis The code numbers, if you know the code numbers, if you revise for 1-2 times, and easily you can write without by-hearting alkanes or smaller alkanes. Without by-hearting, you can remember very easily. This is Jarvi and JK trick for you.